Okay, great recruitment season, guys. Now it's match time. We gotta actually look at each and every candidate. We gotta look at their interviews. We gotta look at their personal statement. We gotta look at what they've done, what their research has been. Are you guys ready for a holistic review?
Yeah.
Really? Where is our coffee?
Good to go.
Okay, Hamid, can we get it started?
Yeah. I got candidate number one. Solid test scores, community service, 3 case reports, letter writers commented on communication. Tyler did note that during case conference they anchored on cancer, and the diagnosis was histoplasmosis.
It was a great case of histo. Classic adrenal involvement. So an autopsy series from 1912 of 164.
Tyler? No. What did we say about talking about cases?
No cases at the table when we're working on other work and without asking permission. But Dr. Sinasia, this kind of brings up something that we wanted to talk to you about. We want to do things a little bit differently this year.
Okay.
We're just thinking we can't replace our old residents.
Another Desmond Barber is not walking through that door.
Well, he is on pump consult, so he actually might
It's true.
walk through that door.
Light schedule.
Yeah. Okay, what are you guys thinking about?
Sam.
Oh, you're done talking about cases?
Unfortunately, yes.
I'm gonna go into the thing.
Yes.
So I've analyzed the saccadic movements of their eyes during their Zoom interviews, incorporated their personal statements, letters of recommendation into an AI tone analysis, and gotten statistics on their typing speed. I think we can combine all of these things into a proprietary algorithm I've developed to ensure that the class is a balanced one. Additionally, I've used polychoric correlation to estimate the likelihood of going into each fellowship, so our class doesn't have too many GI fellows or too many cards fellows. It's a well-rounded class with strengths and weaknesses that best suit each other.
Translate.
Teamwork. Work on the team.
Basically, we want to moneyball this thing.
Moneyball?
Moneyball.
It's a sports thing.
A baseball thing.
Guys, I'm from India. I had no idea about what you're talking about. I know cricket, but baseball?
That's fine. I have no idea what Sam's talking about either.
But we're all gonna go with it.
Baseball?
Baseball.
Baseball.
Baseball? Okay. Okay, guys. I think we are all set. I totally trust you guys. Get the job done. Love this. Get the job done.
All right. Let's get to work.
Hey, Abby. When is McKinsey back?
All right, let's operationalize our metrics. Yeah?
I think that means we're getting started. You want to get the Excel?
Yes, but first, I need a hat, and I need a lot of gum.
Gum. Gentlemen, I have hats.
I don't touch sports.
Okay, we'll just put that one there.
Let's moneyball this, boys.
We're going to start with our high RPI candidates. These are the people that had the highest indices that Sam calculated, all right?
Okay.
Candidate 27, high clinical attributes, no research, but Ahmed, stat.
Can answer 13 pages per minute, 3 consoles per hour, 3.5 console sign-offs index. I mean, this is senior resident stats.
Good, it's good. Not to mention they sent me an EKG, bypass tachycardia.
Tyler! Cases.
Sorry, no EKGs either. Next candidate, 172. Do you see this? 172. High research RPI. The indices are really high. And stat.
Averages a publication a month, high presentation efficiency index, only presents the pertinent positives. Again, stellar stats.
That's our number 2.
It's all about the complement. You see how these are fitting together to create a well-rounded team? All right, next one.
Math.
Mackenzie, where are you? You gotta come back. Please come back. I don't know what they're doing. I have no idea. They're doing something with computers. They're I have. Can you please come back?
Dr. Sunasia, I've got my own baby to take care of. I can't keep babysitting the 3 other chiefs.
We did it, man.
Done.
Got it done, boss.
Where is Sam?
He's working.
The list is done.
All done.
You guys did it.
We wanted to make you proud.
That is amazing. I can't thank you guys enough for all your hard work, and I think this year we're gonna have an amazing match.
Let's do it.
What is RPI? What does that even mean? You know what? This year I needed to make my own match list.